welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I hope you guys are all healthy and well. As you may already know, I have recently moved to the city, which is very exciting. This is my new little filming spot. However, I feel like it's a little bit echoey, so I hope I can do something about that in the editing. But also what comes with moving to the city is no more spray tans. So I've been self-tanning with the Loving Tan products. I've mostly been using the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse, as well as the Deluxe Gradual Tan and the Deluxe Face Tan. But I will let you know that Loving Tan is sponsoring this video, so thank you so much, Loving Tan, for sponsoring and for creating such great quality self-tanning products at such an affordable price. Now, Loving Tan is pretty much the only brand that I use when it comes to self-tanning. I feel like they're just very reliable. The tan comes out really natural and like olive, and it's just so beautiful, and it's just so quick and easy to do, especially this 2 hour mousse, because I know it's a bit TMI, but I am a bit of a sweaty sleeper, so the thought of sleeping in a tan literally terrifies me. It makes me want to cringe so bad. So I am just not there for it. I do not want to sleep in a tan, so I am all for the 2 Hour Express. Thank you very much. So anyway, I thought I would take you guys through my current self-tanning routine here in the city, and I will also just talk you guys through my honest impressions of the products. So first up, I like to take the tan removing and skin polishing glove, and I use this to scrub off my old tan from the week prior and also to get rid of any old dead skin cells. I just apply some body wash. I don't use any like exfoliating products or anything. I just use the body wash. I like to do this immediately before applying my tan because I feel like my skin is just always so soft and supple, and it's just so absorbent. It's really ready to just soak up any product that goes onto my skin. I also like to use the black side for majority of my body, and then I also use the pink side of the mitt to exfoliate my face and my neck because it is a little softer. Once I am completely dry, I will start applying my tan. So I definitely feel more comfortable when my tan is a bit darker. So to avoid doing multiple coats, I like to do about 4 pumps per limb of the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse onto my Deluxe applicator mitt, and I will apply this in circular motion. So I do about 4 pumps per limb. However, for my legs, for like the bottom half, the calf, the shin, the foot area, I'll do 4 pumps there, and then I'll do 4 pumps for up on my thigh as well. So you can get a cheeky 8 pumps for your leg. The instant bronze color makes it super easy to apply, as you can see exactly where you're spreading the clear active ingredients. Plus, if it's looking a little streaky, don't even stress, it all washes off evenly anyway. As long as you have covered every inch of skin on your body, it'll be totally fine. It's totally streak free, so don't stress. Something I love about this tan is how natural it looks, and also the tone of it. It's very olive toned, it's not orange, and that's because it contains DHA, but then it also contains an ingredient called erythrulose. I hope I'm saying that right, but basically most tan brands only include DHA, and when that DHA builds up, it actually creates that orange tone. So good to know we're not going to look like we're coming out of Willy Wonka's factory. We're going to look like bronzed goddesses coming from the beach. Once I have done the front of my body, it is time to do the back. I will admit I am not very good at doing my back, so I would say if you have got someone at home that could help you, definitely try and get them to help you, because I always feel like I'm dislocating my shoulder when I'm doing it, and I will not be held responsible for any visits to the ER. So once my back is done, I then go in with the Deluxe Face Tan, as it is a more gentle formula specifically designed for the face and décolletage area, and it's also packed with antioxidants, so it nourishes and hydrates your skin as well. I just apply this with an old foundation brush. I just apply it in circular motions, and then once I'm actually done with that brush, I also end up just kind of going in between my fingers and my toes just to get all the little nitty-gritties, because I feel like sometimes the applicator mitt can't always get in there where you want it, so I always go in with the brush afterwards just to kind of buff out the tan and just make it nice and even. Now the face tan has also got that instant coloring, so it's honestly a foolproof application. I've seen some of those tans coming out where it's literally clear, like it looks like water, and I understand what they're doing and it's a cool concept, but I feel like I would be terrified using it, because what if you miss a spot and you can't see it? Like, how scary is that? And then you don't realize until like the next morning you've woken up and you're like, oh my god, I have a white patch right here. no thanks. So once I've done that, I'll just wait around for 2 hours. It dries really quickly and it's not sticky. It's actually really smooth. So I'll just do some work, make my lunch, fold the laundry, all that jazz, and before you know it, time is up. So when you're showering, don't be alarmed because it may look like your tan has completely come off, but it does need time to develop. So sleep on it and you'll wake up looking like a bronze goddess. Seriously. Now, once the tan is developed, it can last up to 10 days if you are moisturizing, but something else that I like to do is I like to use the Deluxe Gradual Tanner as a moisturizer because that way it doesn't just nourish and hydrate my skin, but it also extends the life of my tan. It's also got ingredients like acai berry and coffee extract, and these actually protect your skin and provide anti-aging benefits as well. So that is my entire self-tanning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's pretty straightforward and easy, so I hope that you can follow along quite well. I actually have a code with Loving Tan, which is Katrina W, and this will give you guys a deluxe applicator mitt with any product purchased at lovingtan.com. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so